Hello, welcome back to another video. Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make that authentic oha soup, the original Igbo oha soup. In case you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please consider subscribing and do not forget to click on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video you always get notified. Okay, and don't forget to like, share and comment. All right, and to you all my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for always coming back to support a girl. So without wasting much of your time, let me introduce my ingredients for this recipe. So guys, to make your oha soup, these are the things I'll be using to prepare my oha soup. I have my crayfish here. I have my beef. Here I have my yellow and red habenaro pepper. For my thickener, I'm using cocoyam. I've washed it, so I'll just boil it, okay? And I have my ogiri here. Guys, there is no oha without ogiri. I have my ogiri here without see. I don't know if you guys can see very well. I have my catfish here, and this is my uziza leaf. I'll be using uziza leaf and then oha leaf. This is oha leaf. This is how oha leaf looks like. And I have my stockfish here. So guys, I'll first start by boiling the cocoyam now, okay? So guys, our cocoyam is on fire now. I'm going to leave it to cook until it is soft, okay? I will leave it to cook until it gets soft, alright? So guys, let's check on this cocoyam. I'm going to put a knife through it and check it. Our cocoyam is ready now. I'll take it off from the heat. Blend it, okay? So we start now to start cooking our meat. So guys, I'll add in my meat now. Our meat is frozen and I'll go in with my pepper. The meat is frozen, so I won't be stirring it now. I'll allow it to freeze and then I'll come back to stir. So guys, I was going with my seasoning cube now. So guys, I'll go in with my seasoning cube now. I'm going to cover this pot and I will allow the meat to steam, okay? And then we'll come back to adding water. So guys, let's check on the meat. Okay. I'm going to be adding in water to this meat now and I will cook it. I'll add in my stockfish now. I'm going to stir this and cover it all. I'll allow it. So guys, I'll be adding in my going in now with my dried fish. I'll go in with my going to stir. I will stir this, cover, and I will allow this to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, then we'll come back to add the next ingredient. So guys, I'll go in with my red oil now. I'll add in my red oil. I'll go in with my ogiri. I'll add in my ogiri now. This is a game changer in oha soup, okay? Don't mind the smell, it has a very foul smell, but once added to your soup, takes your soup to another process. So guys, I'll go in now with my blended cocoyam. I'll add in my cocoyam now. There is a little bit. I will cover the pot now. I will allow this to cook. I'll use my spoon. Guys, I'm going to cover the pot now and I'll allow this to cook, okay? So guys, let's check on our soup. You guys, I'm not speaking right now. So now I'll be going in first with my uziza leaf and going with your hand leaf if you want to, okay? But I love going in first with my uziza leaf because I want this uziza leaf to infuse its beautiful flavor. You know that uziza is in half, right? So I want it to infuse its beautiful flavor into the soup, okay? Guys, if you have watched me up on this point and you have not liked it, please help me to click on that like button and subscribe if you have not subscribed, okay? I'm going to cover this pot now and I'll allow it to cook for a minute or two before adding in my oha leaf. Guys, I will go in now with my oha leaf. What is my oha leaf now? I'm going to stir this, okay? I know you might be wondering, this soup looks watery. No, it doesn't look any watery. Don't worry, once the soup cools down, it's going to thicken up, okay? This is a trick. Do not add any other thickener to your soup, okay? Like once the soup cools down, it's going to thicken up, okay? So I'm just going to stir this and I will cover the pot now and I will allow this to cook for additional 3 minutes, guys, and our soup is ready. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and share, alright? Guys, our soup is ready. Our soup is ready, guys. This is what we have. This is what our soup is looking at. So delicious, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, okay? Okay guys, until I come your way next time. Bye.